Come test drive the 2018 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.